Hey guys, it's Monday night, and it's snowing, as you guys can see, up here at a local church parking lot and field. We've been here once before in a video. I'm here with Daisy. There she is, my boxer, my own. Great pooch. She's just sniffing around. Come up here and let her run around off leash and stuff. But yeah, it's snowing. This is part of the big winter storm, northeaster. That's hammering, I guess right now, hammering the northeast of New York and New Jersey and Connecticut and all those northern states. It's getting hammered with snow, but we're only getting a little bit. We're only going to be getting a few bands of it. We're not getting a lot, but with some tire tracks. Somebody was up here doing donuts. Ice. Daisy, come here. Look at her go. Crazy. She just loves the snow. Loves it so much. That's real dark. What you see? What you see? Go! Goodies, go! Goodies! Oh, she's so silly. Look at you. Look at you. What are you doing? You eating snow again? Oh, get down. Oh, yeah, you just want to play. Whoa! Yeah, see, look, she just boxed. That's what their boxers like to do. They like to come up and sucker punch you. Actually, sometimes Daisy will come running full force and charge right into the side of me and knock me down. Such a crazy dog, you're gonna end up breaking my hip. Yeah, it's a nice winter night. That light is actually really bright for some reason in the video. It's not bright at all. With my eyes, it's actually really dim. That's just a light from, I guess, I don't really know what that light's from. I guess just houses and stuff. The light over there is from Baltimore. That's all the light reflecting up in the sky. Oh, look, we got some fox prints. Daisy, come. There she is. Yeah, you're a good dog. You're a good dog. Now, this may look like an airport, but it's really just a supermarket. Mars. Right up here on a Mars. Daisy. Come here, Daisy, come here. Yeah. That's Lutherville out there. And this is Timonium, Maryland. I guess you guys can hear the hum of the trucks down there. I think there's a truck down there unloading food. But yeah, I just thought I'd share this with you guys. I suppose it would be one of our biggest snowfall of the year so far. We've had a few inch or two snowfalls, but hopefully this is something more substantial. I don't know if you guys can see this, but somebody did donuts. Somebody likes doing donuts in this area. This isn't the first time I've seen donuts in fields and stuff. But, not my business. But, yeah, I just thought I'd share you with this, and I know Daisy loves attention. Daisy! I don't know, she smells something. I don't know what she's smelling. Oh, we got some ice. What spot? Low spot in the grass here. But alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I know Daisy did, because we got to go outside. Yeah, you just love going outside. Yeah. Oh, listen to all that ice. But alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Good night.